If you've ever wanted to add tracking codes, verification tags, or custom scripts to your WordPress site's header, but felt unsure where to start or worried about breaking something, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'll walk you step by step through the easiest and safest way to add code to your WordPress header using the WP Code plugin. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place things like Google Analytics, Meta Pixel, or other important scripts on every page of your site without risking your theme or your site's stability. Let's jump right in. The best method for most WordPress users, and the one I recommend for 2026 and beyond, is using a plugin like WP Code, which stands for Insert Headers and Footers. The big advantage here is that your code isn't tied to your theme. So even if you update, switch, or customize your theme later, all your header scripts stay put and keep working. You're basically separating your custom code from the design of your site, which is just good practice. First things first, let's install WP Code. Inside your WordPress dashboard, look to the left side menu for plugins and give that a click. Hit Add New, and in the search box, type WP Code Insert Headers and Footers. Just start with WP Code and it'll come up right away. Once you find it, press Install Now. Remember to also hit Activate when it's done. That's what tells WordPress to enable the plugin. This part should only take a minute or two, and it's normal for the page to refresh after activation. With the plugin installed, you'll see a new menu option appear in the sidebar called Code Snippets. Go ahead and click that, then select Header and Footer. This is your new workspace for adding scripts. WP Code's interface is really clear. It keeps things simple and gives you dedicated boxes for your header and footer code. Let's focus on the header today. Now think about what script you want to add. Maybe it's for Google Analytics, maybe it's a Meta Pixel to track your ad campaigns, or any other snippet that needs to load on every page. Take your code and paste it into the header section. If you're wondering why you're pasting it here, it's because this box tells WordPress to inject your code between the opening and closing head tags on every single page of your site. That means your code works universally, not just on one post or page. It's like placing a piece of machinery right at the front door of your website where every visitor will pass through it. Here's an important little checkpoint. Before you click Save Changes, quickly review what you've pasted. Make sure there are no typos or stray characters. If you ever need to remove or update it, you just come back here and change what's in the box. No need to dig around in theme files or worry about future updates wiping out your changes. Once you're happy, hit Save Changes. That's it. Your script is now loading automatically in your site's header exactly where it needs to be. This change applies instantly, but sometimes it takes a few moments for analytics tools or verification codes to register, so don't panic if you don't see results straight away. And just like that, you've securely added custom code to your WordPress header without risking theme integrity or code conflicts. This approach keeps your workflow neat and future-proof, whether you're running a blog, a business site, or an online store. If this video helped you out, I'd love for you to give it a like. Drop a comment below if you have any questions about header code, plugins, or WordPress in general. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical, easy-to-follow tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.